Butter. Softened butter. Lazima ikuwe soft.
That is one butter.
Hii ni 200 grams of butter. Soft butter. Utaki ikuwe hard. Butter number 3. The important part is to make sure it's soft. Then take 300 grams of powder sugar. Like 300 grams of powdered sugar. It seems like a lot, but it's not a lot. So these are 4 cookies. We will whisk. So una whisk until it's fluffy and airy. Don't forget to scrape the sides. All the butter is airy. Otherwise utapata yenye iko ndani iko airy, but yenye iko sides iko still the normal form. Now we will go in with 3 whole eggs. We'll beat them one at a time. Egg number 2. If you're shaky with your hands, make sure you crack the egg somewhere else to avoid getting shells inside. And last egg. Going to add 3 tablespoons of vanilla extracts. Vanilla. This is just the base flavoring of our cookies. also a teaspoon of salt. And then now we go to the flour. Flour, we need 900 grams of flour, but iweke separately, not all of it together, otherwise utapata lumps. So separate it into like three batches.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So sasa tutaseparate dough.
Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great.
Scrape everything out.
You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.